y'all get ready for this unscheduled, random, but awesome unboxing.
Unboxing time!
Hey, it's Dave, Unknown Origin Effects, and I got something that I've been, well, I was told it was a surprise, but I kind of know what it is. So we're going to do an unboxing, and we're going to do it real hardcore. We're not going to open it with a big deer knife, or even a Bowie butcher knife. Nah, we're not going to be sissies and do that.
I've waited out as my time's elapsed. Now all I do is live with so much fate. I've wished for this, I've bitched at that. I've left behind this little fact: you cannot kill what you did not create.
Hey, this is Dave, Unknown Origin Effects, and with me is Vic, Monster Misfits, and I'm doing an unboxing.
I've gotta say what I've gotta say, and then I swear I'll go away, but I can't promise you'll enjoy the noise. I guess I'll save the best for last. My future seems like one big past. You're left with me cause you left me no choice. I push my fingers into my eyes. It's the only thing that slowly stops me. Hey, if the pain goes on, I'm not gonna make it. Put me back together, or separate the skin from bone. Leave me all the pieces, then you can leave me alone. Tell me the reality is better.
Hey, I hope you guys liked that little introduction and that sped up unboxing. The kids got real excited and was getting in there, so I figured I'd just speed it up so you could see it, but also I'm going to do this so we can break down these items and do a worthy unboxing / review for Mr. Lloyd Kirkpatrick Sr., who made me this awesome piece. So, in all, full Wolfman costume display piece. First thing I came across in the box, as you can see in the sped up unboxing video, was the hands. These are enlarged hands, which you would expect from a monster, let alone if you're wanting to wear something. When sculpting, you definitely have to make it larger because there's a percentage of shrinkage that latex gets. So I got already pretty good sized hands. These are more than big enough. So they fit perfect around the wrist and forearm. So boom, check on that. Both hands look like they're made almost exactly the same. So I mean, that's awesome. And for a mannequin, there's more than enough space in the palm to fit the full hand so that you can put it on display. More impressively than anything, the hair work. There's a lot of hair on this product, and the way it's done is just second to none. I mean, it's just incredible work. So we got one right hand and one left hand. Next, we got the shoes, which my son already tried and walked around with. Obviously the Wolfman feet. Just like the hands, got sculpted in claws. Got the feet. Pretty generic there because, I mean, still, they're going to be covered with hair. And again, the hair work on these are awesome. And it's very thick cast, so it's not floppy. I mean, good stuff. And something I'm seeing with these that I've never seen anybody else do, instead of just having a raw latex bottom or an open cut bottom, for your foot to go in, which works too. With straps, he put and reinforced the bottoms with EVA foam. So that's awesome that he did this. One, that protects the latex casted item, being the foot, and you from if it was a cut open bottom with elastic straps on the bottom, there's no chance of those getting worn out, breaking off, and then they don't stay on your feet so well. There are those. Obviously, he's got independent feet here, so we got a right foot and a left foot, not one sculpt made for both feet. Here we got full chest. You can see it's actually sculpted with the different muscle definitions and even rib lines in there, which you can also see on the front. So that looks awesome. And the cool thing is too, he's got like the shoulder pockets here, so that if just a basic chest piece was overhanging and it would kind of bubble out and look kind of weird when you're wearing it, that prevents that from happening. Another thing you do is just cut it off. But to get the full effect of this guy, it's best to have that. A beautiful piece, again, very thick latex. I'd say, just for my own critique and stuff, one thing I might do for my display, because that's what this is going to be for, is maybe do a little bit of black airbrush work shading into the pectorals and the rib lines. But I mean, depending on the lighting you have it in, it'll work just like that too. I mean, you can see it on the camera. It's sculpted well enough that it gets its own shadow. So again, awesome hair work. Before we get to the last shebang here, I'm going to show you something again I've not seen from any other color. The cool thing that he did with this was not only he shipped me what excess he had, which works out well if any hair falls off or a kid walks by and pulls some off, I can replace it. But I have the business and the SKU number if I ever need to go back or just interested in my own hair to go and get that exact same hair. So hats off to you, Lloyd. That is awesome. The Wolfman head. Now I'll do close-ups of this too. You'll see coming up for each piece. But I don't know how long he's been doing this. Maybe a few years. This stuff is just immaculate. He's got sculpted in ears over here. The nose is just spot on perfect, I think. And the teeth, really dig this. I mean, he's got the nice open mouth, the tongue, the teeth, gum lines, the nose, and then he's got some, looks like some kind of glass cabochon eyes placed in there. So the only thing with this is it's not made to wear. It is big enough to wear. You could request him to cut out the eyes and everything so that you could wear it as a costume. But as far as what I'm using it for, it's going to be a display piece. So, Lloyd, I just want to say thanks, buddy. I'll give you guys a close-up here, and we'll wrap this up. I would say overall, I give him a 5 out of 5. Little as he's been doing this, the quality is just phenomenal. Thick casted latex, it's painted the right way, the hair is immaculate done work, and the price is phenomenal. This was a little surprise that he popped in the package. A goofy gourd. The goofy gourd. So he makes some really cool stuff like this, as well as the big costume display pieces and a handful of masks. So definitely give him some love. Check him out. Dead End Yard Haunt on YouTube. And other than that, follow us. Unknown Origin Effects. We're on Facebook, Instagram. Now we got the YouTube channel going. I'll post all information down in the description if possible. And thanks for watching, guys. Peace.